how to use predefined connections in RFEM to design a different type of timber connections in RFEM 5, that is V5. If you want to design connection between members, you need to go to add modulars, then connection. Now, usually you'll go to RF joints and maybe do a connection between, maybe pick a member, or maybe this member, okay, and then you do your connection. But when you want to use predefined connection, you need to use RFM limits. So, for example, I would like to maybe design a timber to footing connection using plate and using predefined connection. If I go to connection, you can see RF limits here. So this is comparison of results with defined limit. You can also find it in data. If I scroll down, you can see RF limit, comparison of result with defined limit. So I can also just click here. Okay, now I will choose my loads, go to general parameter. So to solve that, maybe I can just use these combinations that do not have wind load, because I removed all wind. Just make sure you select the ultimate. Okay, then I'm going to remove this load and that load. Be left with these loads. Then let's go to limits. I see there are different limits. Maybe there's this Singha, sharper. You can also use sharper to design timber to base connection. Then let me first clear, cancel. This is not a member add, this is not a support. I want not a support. Then I'll go to sharper. Then select node support. You can see the different connection depending on the maximum and minimum value. All right. So my list, you can optimize or not. My list, just come here and pick one node. Okay. Now this then calculate. So you can see the calculations here, limit checks, depending on the ratio. If the ratio exceeds 1, then it has failed. To add, maybe I can just go to new case, beam, call beam connection. Again, so that's how you use RF limits to do pre defined connection. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.